Let's take a look at the user interface of this 7-inch indoor monitor. Now I will give a brief introduction to each button in the main page. The first one is the monitor button. You can choose to check the surveillance of outdoor station or external cameras. And the brightness, contrast, and color can be adjusted after pressing this button. The monitoring photos can be also saved as you want. Besides, you can record video if there is an extended TF card. The second one is the call button. In this page, you can enter the intercom interface in one apartment or between different apartments by inputting the room number. You can make a call to other residents. If you have several monitors in your house, you can create the intercom button to do room-to-room intercom. Next one is the message button. You can check the capture photos and record videos from this page. And the device information is shown under the version button. The last one is setting button. Through this page, you can set the ring, time, and choose the language. In the meanwhile, you can input the password to set the address and password.